Hello guys, I am Israt Jahan. Welcome to my another video. Today I'll show you how you can decorate a cycle in many ways. Like I can decorate it with some flowers. So for that you need a frame, and in that side it's 30 centimeters and in that side it's 50 centimeters. After when you attach all these sides, you need some white paper and attach them with this glue. And when this framework is finished, you need to add a cycle to drawing. So let's get started. So you need a small color paper and cut it up like that. When it's done, you need to fold it up. After that, you need to attach the glue in the last side and push down the flower in the middle side. Press in the middle side, and after that it will look like that one. Now you need a flower, and for that you need to cut a small color paper and fold it in two pieces. After that you need to cut it up. You can use different kinds of flowers as you want. Now cut the middle side of this flower, attach them with this glue. After that it will look like that one. Now you need to fold it like that one for a proper shape of that. Now you need a butterfly, and for that you need to draw it in this color paper. After that you need to cut it up. Now it's done. When all of this finished, you need at least 50 or 100 more like these flowers or butterfly. Now this time to decorate this cycle with some color papers. First you have to cut some color papers in small pieces and attach them with this glue. Now we are going to decorate this cycle.